Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2025 in Salt Lake City. It's raining heat rays outside. It's really hot. So I've got Zach here from Semplor, and you have a new tabletop SEM in the market, and I thought it was kind of interesting. So can you tell us a little bit about it, like where it came from, what is it good for?
Sure, absolutely. Thank you very much. Yes, so our new system is called the Nanos, and it was designed and is manufactured in the Netherlands, just outside of Eindhoven, which is famous for Philips starting the SEM business many years ago. And some of our founders came from those lines of SEMs with Philips, FEI, some other companies, and they started this new company, Semplor, about 4 years ago. And so they had the unique opportunity to design a brand new tabletop SEM with all the latest in technology. And the idea was to make something simple, easy to use, but powerful. But the main thing is it works. It's robust. You know, you can really count on it. And so it's a versatile tool that's designed to be affordable and hopefully allowing people that maybe couldn't access an SEM prior to this, allowing them to be able to use an SEM for their, be it a university environment or, industrial applications.
So what kind of accessories do you have available for the system right now?
So right now, the system comes with a secondary electron and backscatter electron detectors and the optional EDS, elemental analysis detectors. And then, it's a pretty standard system. There's not a whole lot of bells and whistles, so to speak, that go along because it kind of has everything built in. And there are little things like different specimen holders to accommodate different sizes and things of that nature. But it's a pretty, they wanted the manufacturing to be straightforward. We're just kind of getting started here, so there will be soon to come more options, but the main thing we're adding on is different software options at this point to just give the user a better experience and a little bit more automation, things of that nature. But yeah.
If people want to find out more about Semplor and your instruments, where do they go to find you?
Sure, they can find us on the web, www.semplor, that's SEMPLOR, simplyexplore.com.
Okay, well, thanks a lot, Zach. That's all we've got for this one. We got more coming up next from M&M 2025.
Thank you.